The on a diet, off a diet syndrome. It's all about the emotion. Hi, I'm Millie Shedorick. I'm a nutritionist and registered dietitian. I see a lot of health issues caused by what we eat and a lack of weight control. I find most people don't really understand food and are very confused. We're overwhelmed with millions of diets. We are full of no's. We have a desperate need for simple, usable nutrition education. The word diet has come to mean it takes restriction, misery, and struggle to lose weight and be healthy. I call it the on a diet, off a diet syndrome. We're either on a diet or hallelujah, we're off a diet. It's often about the emotion. Diets are negative. I can't, I shouldn't, which creates cravings. The emotional stress of dieting is what causes weight gain. Dieters overeat because they're about to be deprived. I'm enjoying myself because I'm going on a diet on Monday, which causes weight gain. They go on a diet, restricting themselves. The diet doesn't last. I feel so deprived. Then, hallelujah, they're off a diet. Then overeat because they felt deprived and restricted, causing weight gain. Then the guilt, shame, failure. I've been so bad, which causes more emotional eating. And eventually, I better go on a diet. On Monday, the on a diet, off a diet syndrome begins again, causing more weight gain. In addition, improper dieting from severe calorie restriction with a lack of protein and inactivity can cause muscle loss, which will slow down metabolism, lowering your calorie needs, causing more weight gain. Now, I'm not putting down diets, just the thought of dieting. Use them as low-calorie, healthy eating, and pick your favorites that you enjoy. We only like pleasure. We want to feel satisfied, not deprived. Instead of learning to restrict yourself, learn to satisfy yourself. Learn how to eat, not how not to eat. So never diet, but always care. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.